Hey everyone, and welcome back. Welcome if you are new. My name is Bubs B, and today I'm actually going to be doing a get ready with me date night edition. Okay, we're pretending as if I'm going out. This is what I would do if I was going out. Our latest child is a little too young to be staying with anyone right now. He's a little too cranky, right? He's not for the lighthearted. All right. So this is what I would wear if we were actually going out. If me and the husband was going somewhere to dinner, the day date, anything like that. Okay. I do want to give a special thanks to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I have some gorgeous jewelry pieces to show you guys. I'm actually wearing some right now. Love the quality, love that these are not tarnishing, and I've been wearing them for weeks now, loving them, especially these earrings right now. These are like my perfect stud everyday earring choice. It goes with anything, matches with any outfit for me. I wear it to bed, in the shower, doesn't matter. I'm not taking them off because they're actually plated with 14 karat gold. All right, she's expensive, but just not the expensive price point. Yeah, I've been loving the quality of Ana Luisa's pieces, and I'm loving that it's plated with gold and plated with real materials, so it's not causing me a reaction. It's not irritating my skin. I can only wear earrings, costume jewelry, anything like that for a small period of time before my earlobes are throbbing. So I'm loving that I can wear these anytime, any day, and keep them on forever. I also have some ring pieces right here. Gorgeous, very contemporary, classic, simple gold pieces. I love gold. I really do. I think gold on chocolate skin just stands out. It just looks so good. It looks so good. So I put a little bit of everything in this video: skin, hair, makeup, nails, jewelry, outfit, fragrance. So I hope you all enjoy this one and just keep on watching. So I do want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. I picked out a couple of pieces on their website. So I'm gonna wear the mini abbeys. This is like the perfect stud earring for me. Simple, very simplistic, but will go with any outfit. I love that I can wear these all day without irritating my skin, feeling itchy or turning, because it is 14 gold plated. So I love these. I'm gonna wear these today. Also, I have the Noah ring, I believe that's what it's called, and I love this. It's super chunky but still classic, gold plated. Love that. Then on this index finger I have the laurel. So it's just a ball ring. It's very classy and contemporary, and I love that it's adjustable because it has an open band, so you can fit it on any finger you'd want. Lastly, they did send me out these cute mini Kanoko marble blue earrings. Wow, these are super cute. I love these. Okay, this is more of a party look. Okay, this is not what I was going for today, but I love this. These earrings are actually hand painted. Gorgeous pieces. So I'm just going to get straight into doing the makeup. I'm going to quickly do my brows off camera, and then I can go in and finish the rest of the makeup. Brows are done. I'm going to add a little foundation, conceal, and contour. But first, I'm just going to go in with my makeup setting duo. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Primer, as well as the setting spray. I'm going to apply that first because I want this foundation to last. I've been loving this Glow Hydrator by Urban Decay, and I just got a new shade. I got 81. I was using 80 and it was a little too light. This one, perfect for my complexion right now, especially since like my color's trying to come back from being pregnant. If you don't know, your skin gets a lot darker when you're pregnant. Okay, so this foundation gives me like a perfect medium to full coverage. I can definitely build it up, but something about this foundation on camera and when I take photos, my skin just looks so smooth. So this is a perfect going out foundation. Using my same concealer duos, Juvia's Place concealers. quickly set everything. I'm going to use this banana cream powder from Graftobian. I've had it for a while. I'm just trying to use it up. This does not give me flashbacks, so if you're taking photos, definitely use this powder. So add in a little contour, a little bronzer using this shade. This is from Black Radiance. Love this, go-to in a drugstore, affordable. Now while this is drying, I'm gonna put a little bit on the eyes. I'm not gonna do too much. This is the time, if you are going out with your husband, to, you know, wear his favorite colors, you know, on the eyes, maybe a little bright color here and there, you know, switch it up, do something different. I'm gonna do a neutral look though, because like I said, I'm trying to hurry up. I have a nail appointment and I do not want to miss that. So I'm gonna use the Sculpt shade in this palette. Apply it all over the crease. Your crease is right in between your brow bone and your eyelids, so I'm just going to blend. Okay, and applying some underneath the lower lash line. Using the Saharan 2 palette, I love this. This is like my go-to palette. I use it for everything. I'm gonna go in with this orange eyeshadow here. This is just going to warm up the eyelids some. And I'm gonna just pack this chocolate brown on my lids. To help intensify that chocolate brown, I'm just using a black kohl pencil. This is from Urban Decay. Take a stiff synthetic brush and just move this product. So now when I apply this brown on the lids, it's just gonna be more intense. I decided on doing a brown smoky eye. Now I'm just going to add this black pencil in the waterline. I'm going to smoke it out with that dark brown, apply lashes, mascara, all that. I'm just going to quickly do that. Face is done. Now it's time for their lips. I'm just going to do something neutral just to go with this neutral glam. So I'm going to go in with Mented Night Pencil first. I love Mented Cosmetics as a brand. They just cater to chocolate, okay, melanin skin. And this lip pencil is super pigmented, and also it just glides on so well. So this is What's Your Sign from Urban Decay, and it's a matte. This one has more of like a pinkyish undertone. Okay. So my hair is in these amazing twisted, defined. It's super defined. I don't know if you guys saw my latest mini twist video, but I just took those mini twists out, and yeah, this is what I'm left with. My hair is still very soft from that video. I just put my hair in bands last night. I do have a dedicated video showing you how I install the bands, but it's very simple. The bands help to shape my hair, and also it stretches out the root just a tad bit so I can get some more length. All right, and it definitely preserves the hairstyle, so my hair stays defined. It's probably been, what, a week since I did the mini twist. I was trying to keep it in for at least 2 weeks. Probably not, because I gotta work. All right, I gotta get these hair videos done. I'm definitely ready to wash it, just because I actually started the mini twist on old hair, so my scalp was already a little but you know, I'm gonna let this ride out for this date night look. So I could just leave it here. I think this is cute. I could, you know, just fluff it a little more and pick it a little more, and this is fine. You know, this is fine, but I want to do more. So I'm actually just going to start to separate. Well, try to at least, just to get more volume. I'm not gonna be able to get it to be super full and sitting up. I have a lot of product in my hair. So this is the best I'm gonna be able to get it. Jeez, this twist out looks amazing. Amazing. If you want ultimate definition, do mini twist and then take it out for a twist out. You will get the best definition. Yes, I'm loving the fro right now. Looks good. So now I'm just gonna pick out the outfit. I'm thinking these cute sock booties. Love these things. So yeah, I'm thinking these. Okay, a nice classic pair of navy blue jeans. You know, keep it slample. All right. And then for the top, I have this gorgeous button-up blouse that I got from ASOS. Everything that I'm showing you guys I got from ASOS. But it has like this cute ruffled detail. Has like some pleats or layers right here. Really think this is cute. So I'm back. I got my nails done. You guys can see these are the nails. I don't know how to feel about them. I don't know if I like them or not. I don't know. I was going for like holiday glitter, and like this is the closest I could get to glitter, to wearing like a whole bunch of glitter. I don't know. It's okay. It's all right. It's not my favorite set, and I probably got lines all over my face because I had to wear a mask, so don't mind that. So to finish off the look, I'm going to add a scent. I have YSL's Libre. Don't mind the bottle. The top is missing. Okay, I've had this bottle for a little minute. Okay, it's just a tad bit left. It was just all over the place. Okay, so don't mind it not having a top. And then I'm going to pair it together with Dossier's Oriental Floral 1. This is supposed to be a dupe for Lancome's La Vie Est Belle. I think, yeah. So the pair together, I stopped using this because I thought it was like a little too strong for me, like a little too cologne-y, because it's kind of like, it has like a cologne under note. I don't know. I feel like this is unisex, this spray. But I smelled it recently again. I was just like, oh my goodness. That's why I wasn't feeling it, because it's more of a fall winter scent to me. Okay, so. And paired with the Oriental Floral. Delicious. Okay, smells amazing. So for jewelry, I'm wearing the mini Abbey on my earlobe, as well as the Laurel on this index finger, and then on this index finger I have on the Noah. I think that's Noah. I think that's what it's called. So this is the jewelry for today. So I hope you all enjoyed this one, this Get Ready With Me date night edition. I showed you guys some favorites, some things I've been loving lately. What did you guys think of the whole look, the whole shebang? All right. And I don't want you guys to forget to check out Ana Luisa. I'm going to leave my link down below so you guys could purchase some elegant, timeless pieces for any occasion. I'm telling you, Ana Luisa got it. If you're looking for a perfect gift idea as well, Ana Luisa is the perfect stop to shop. I actually just purchased some pieces for my niece for Christmas, and I absolutely love the quality. I love that the items are not tarnishing or diminishing, and I can wear them all day with no irritation. Thank you, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video. Please, guys, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.